All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these open buds for kids. These are open ear earbuds specifically designed for kids. The next generation open ear headphones for kids. Some little designs on the top, nothing on the bottom, nothing on that side. This side says compatible with iPad, tablet, Mac, and computers. And the back just has a little bit of the specs. These are navy blue. They only weigh 13 grams. They can charge in 2 hours and they will last 10 hours on their 80 milliamp hour battery. So let's open these up and take a look at them. That's it for the box. So we have a nice user's guide that gives you all the information about everything on the headphones, as well as all of your touch controls and music controls back here. They include a USB Type-C cable to charge them, and then inside of this, except for that, is navy blue open ear headphones for kids. Your USB-C port is right here. There is touch controls built in to these, and basically it goes right around the ear, and instead of it going inside your ear, this part of the speaker sits right on the outside of your ear, making it much more comfortable for most people, and it won't be as loud since these are engineered specifically for kids. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing of these next generation open ear headphones for kids. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.